Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to upload your Blackmagic RAW footage into Premiere Pro. Let's go. First thing you need to do is you need to go onto blackmagicdesign.com/support. If you scroll down to the bottom here where it says latest downloads, then you need to find the Blackmagic RAW software update. As you can see here, the 11th of June 2025, this is the latest upload for the Blackmagic RAW 4.6. Obviously click what one you're using. For example, I'm using a Mac. And then add in your full details and press next and go through this. Once you've done that, you'll jump straight back into your Premiere Pro. Once you jump into Premiere Pro, this plugin will allow you to add BRAW footage into Premiere Pro. So I can easily drag that there. And if you want to edit your BRAW footage, if you come here to your effects control, if you click source and change your camera metadata to clip, you can now edit in RAW. If you've liked what you've seen, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.